keeping you securely connected wherever you've got T-Mobile. The new JEXtream RG2100 5G Mobile Hotspot was made for your on-the-go lifestyle. And best of all, it's rockin' T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing and setting up the JEXtream RG2100 5G Mobile Hotspot to Wi-Fi enabled devices. Let's get inside the box. Inside, we have the quick start guide, documentation, JEXtream RG2100 5G hotspot, and USB-C charging cable. The RG2100 can connect to multiple devices at once, so you can connect to this device, and that one, and of course that one over there, and then like a whole bunch more at the same time. Incredible! This 5G hotspot is ready for all-day use with its long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery, and when it's time to recharge, it takes a USB Type-C cable. And a bonus feature, this hotspot also doubles as a portable charger. You can easily charge other devices all while wirelessly streaming. How cool is that? Alrighty, time to get connected. First, you'll insert your active nano SIM card just like this. Then you'll power on the device, check for those T-Mobile bars, search for your SSID on your device's Wi-Fi settings. The SSID can be found here. Then enter your password. And just like that, you'll have internet connectivity. For advanced settings, go to your web UI homepage while connected to the hotspot. The new JEXtream RG2100 5G Mobile Hotspot, keeping you securely connected wherever you have those great magenta bars with multi-user connections and a compact design. It was made for your on-the-go lifestyle, and best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Go snag your JEXtream RG2100 5G Mobile Hotspot at your favorite T-Mobile store or online at tmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.